Hi friends, heartily welcome to RAKB online education systems. Dear friends, today we are going to learn accountancy. Let me introduce myself. Myself, Nilesh sir. I will take your accountancy. There are 7 chapters in accountancy part 1. First part is relating to partnership, introduction to partner, final accounts of a partner, goodwill, reconstruction of partnership firm, admission of partner, retirement of partner, and resolution of a partnership firm. Among this, today I am going to start a first lesson, introduction to partnership. It is having 4 marks weightage in a board. 1 marks MCQ will be asked in the section A, multiple choice question, and 1 marks question will be asked in section C. That is a small sum. Dear friend, how many of you know the meaning of partners? In last year, in 11th standard, we have studied accounts of a sole proprietorship firm. What was sole proprietorship? Sole proprietorship means the owner of a business is a single person. So, one man has to manage, bring capital, and all the profit will be belonging to him only. Now, to overcome this limitation of a partnership, a new form of business is introduced. It is called partnership. So, by this we can just imagine in partner there will be more than one person. या यहाँ बिजनेस में एक से ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं, साथ में आके बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं, मैनेज करते हैं एंड प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. So let me now explain the definition of a partnership. Friends, under section 4 of Partnership Act 1932, a specified definition is given for a partnership. Partnership is the relation between the person who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. इनका मतलब क्या है? पार्टनरशिप एक ऐसा संबंध है जो ऐसे व्यक्तियों के बीच प्रस्तावित होता है. 2 से ज्यादा लोग साथ में मिलके कोई धंधा किया, एकम की स्थापना करे, उनका संचालन करे एंड प्रॉफिट आपस में शेयर करते हैं. इसे पार्टनरशिप कहा जाता है. By these definitions, I am going to describe the characteristics of the partner. Dear student, mind well. Partnership is, what is partnership? The relations between, it is a relations. It is a mutual relation by the persons who are agreed to start a business. यहाँ जो व्यक्ति हो है एक दूसरे के साथ संबंधित है. By which relations? They are the partners of each other. Okay? So relations came into existence. Relations come into existence by contract. The contract is maybe mutual, that is oral, or written. But dear friends, written contract is necessary because it can be approved at the time of any legal issue or matter. So, partnership is the relation between the person who have agreed. Person, ये भी बहुत important है. Who can be partner? Can you? So आप लोग पार्टनर बन सकते हैं? नहीं. पार्टनर बनने के लिए क्राइटेरिया है. according to Contract Act 1935, who can be the partner? Only a matured person can be a partner. Let me just introduce. It is another matter. It is not related to our syllabus, but it is very necessary for you to have knowledge. A 3-person can't be a partner. First is minor, that is you. Up to age of 18, you can't be a partner. You can't agree or you can't come into sign contract. You can't sign the contract. First, any mental retarded person can't sign a partner. And third one is insolvent, that is नादार, वो लोग भी पार्टनर नहीं बन सकते. इनके अलावा सब लोग पार्टनर बन सकते हैं. That is person. So you get the things. Who can be a partner? Who have agreed to share the profit? Here the motto or object of the firm is to earn profit. So they earn profit and they distribute accordingly to understand. Business carry on. Which kind of business? It is the legal business. It should be the legal business. Carried on, that is they manage business by all or some of. यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है कि सभी पार्टनर को साथ में मिलकर बिजनेस रन करना है. कोई एक या दो व्यक्ति भी उसको रन कर सकता है और सभी साथ में मिलकर बिजनेस रन कर सकते हैं. एंड द इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर लास्ट इज एक्टिंग फॉरवर्ड. यहाँ एक पार्टनर का किया दूसरे सब पार्टनर को लायबल होता है. दैट इज एक पार्टनर ने अगर कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया तो उनके लिए सब पार्टनर जिम्मेदार है. कोई पार्टनर ऐसा नहीं कह सकता ये तूने किया है इसके बजाय लॉस किया तो भी तू बेयर कर. इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. दे ऑल आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एक्टिंग ऑफ एनी वन. सब पार्टनर्स उसके लिए जिम्मेवार होता है कि कोई एक पार्टनर का किया. तो दैट इज इट इज कॉल्ड द लायबिलिटीज ऑफ द पर्सन इज अनलिमिटेड. Here we have derived from this definition five important characteristics. First, there must be minimum 2 person and maximum 50, sometimes 100 in some different case. That will later on I will make you know. Second one, there is a contract between partner. Contract must be written. The third characteristic is they agreed to share the profit. Here the motive of a business is profit. Carried on business by all or one of them. That is business का संचालन मालिक खुद. That is owner is the operator of the business. Corporate field में क्या होता है? Corporate means company. Company में क्या होता है? जो धंधा का मालिक दैट इज शेयर होल्डर होता है वो बिजनेस रन नहीं करता है. उनका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव दैट इज कॉल्ड बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर. वी हैव सीन इन लास्ट बीए 11th स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, सो दे रन द बिजनेस. हियर प्रोप्राइटर खुद बिजनेस रन करता है. और देयर इज अ टॉप मोस्ट फीचर्स इज अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटीज. यहाँ पार्टनर की जिम्मेवारी अनलिमिटेड रहती है. उनका फॉरमोस्ट फीचर भी है और ये लिमिटेशन भी है. थैंक यू.